So let us start our class. So today we will start exercise 3.2. Okay. So see the first question. The following numbers are not perfect square. Give reasons. So they have already said that whatever number it is given in question number 1, but they are not perfect squares. Only what we have to do, we have to give the reason. So see, what is the first one? Number 1, exercise 3.2. okay, 1067. Now it is directly we can say that it is not a perfect square. Why? What is the reason behind this? So in the last class or maybe in previous class I have said, I have given the properties, okay, that if the numbers are ending with the digit 2, 3, 7, 8, you check your property 1, 2, 3, 7 and 8. If any number is ending with the digit, if any number has unit digit either 2 or 3 or 7 or 8, then definitely that number is what? Not a perfect square. You see, so what is the unit digit of this number? 7. So what will be your reason? If it is 7, then 100% we can say what? That it is not a perfect square. So what is the reason? The reason is that since 7 is in the unit digit, since 7 is in the unit digit, so it is not a perfect square. Since 7 is in the unit digit, so it is not a perfect square. This is your reason, okay. So number 2, you see, 32853. 32853. Again you see, what is the unit digit? What is the unit digit? The unit digit is 3. So again same reason, since 3 is in the unit digit, since 3 is in the unit digit, so it is not a perfect square. Understood? Next, 5948. 5948. Now this one you can do by yourself also. Since 8 is in the unit digit, so it is not a perfect square. Okay. Then question number 4, you see, question number 4, how many 2s are there? 6 2s are there, right? Again, what is the unit digit? The unit digit is 2. So again you write, since 2 is in the unit digit, so it is not a perfect square. Okay, so this also you can do by yourself. Done. Now let us see question number 5. What is the question? 64000. 64 and 000. So what was our second property? All the properties are important. Okay, what was our second property? The second property was that if any number ends with odd number of zeros. How many number of zeros? The number of zeros, if it is odd, then it will not be a perfect square. This number of zeros, if say 1 0 is there, if in the ending position there is 1 0, then we will say, since it is odd, so it will not be a perfect square. If there are 3 zeros, after 1 what is the next odd number? 3. If the number is ending with 3 zeros, again it is odd, so it is not a perfect square. So that was our property number 2. So you see this question, how many zeros this number has at his end? So there are 3 zeros. Okay, so since there are since there are how many zeros? 3 zeros, isn't it? Since there are 3 zeros, odd number, no need to write like that, shortcut you write. Since there are odd number of zeros, at the end, so it is not a perfect square. Since there are odd number of zeros at the end, so it is not a perfect square. Understood? Simple. Let us see next. Next is 52922. Next, 52922. Again, what is the unit digit over here? 2. So since 2 is in the unit digit, so it is not a perfect square. You can do this one also. Number 7. Let us see question number 7. 33300. 33300. Again you see how many zeros are at the end? 3 zeros are. Okay, so the battery of the phone is very less, so that's why the video got stopped. Okay, so let us again continue. So again, how many zeros are there? There are 3 zeros, that is odd number of zeros. So what will be our line? Since there are odd number of zeros at the end, so it is not a perfect square. So you can do same line. Since there are odd number, how many zeros are there? Odd number zeros. Since there are odd number of zeros at the end, so it is not a perfect square. You can do this one also. Next, number 8. 202020. Number 8 is what? 202020. How many zeros is there at the end? At the end you calculate. Not this one, not this one. At the end. At the ending position. Okay. So how many zero is there? How many zero is there? 1. And 1 is what? Odd number, isn't it? 1 is what? Odd number. So how many zeros are there at the end? Odd number of zeros are at the end. So what will be your sentence? Since there are odd number of zeros at the end, so it is not a perfect square. Since there are odd number of zeros at the end, so it is not a perfect square. Since there are odd number of zeros at the end, so it is not a perfect square. Only check the last one, okay, last place. Okay, done. So question number 1 completed. This homework part you do. And today by the afternoon everyone and notes will be checked, okay, and I will return to you. Everyone's note will be checked today by afternoon. So do the homework and try to send before the afternoon. What will be the unit digits of the square of the following number? What you have to find? Unit digit. What will be the unit digit, not of the following number, of the square of the following number? So say one thing you see, say 16. What will be the unit digit of the square of the following number? What will be the unit digit of the square of the following number? So 16 square is how much? 256. So what is the unit digit? 6 is the unit digit. Now to find this, you no need to square the following number, okay? Say if I ask what is the unit digit of the square of the following number, so no need to multiply 848 into 848. There is a simple technique is there, you see. What? Just you look this unit digit, 6. What is the unit digit? 6. So you multiply 6 with 6. 6 into 6 is what? 36. 36. Again, what is the unit digit? 6. So your answer will be what? 6. One more let us do. What is the unit digit over here? The unit digit is what? 8. So 8 with 8. 8 8 ja 64. 8 8 ja how much? 64. So what will be the unit digit? 4. So your answer will be what? Your answer will be, directly you can write your answer will be what? 4. This is the technique, okay? And by one formula also you can remember this one. That formula is also very important. That formula is very important. You write this one in your notebook. See why this formula is important. In some difficult question, if you have to do shortcut, then believe me, this is the formula that will help you, okay? So the formula is like that. 1, write the heading like that, unit digit concept. Not formula, this is like a concept only, okay? Unit digit concept. So what is unit digit concept? You see, 1 square will be how much? 1 square will be what? 1. What is the unit digit if I do 1 square? What is the unit digit if I do 1 square? It will be 1 only. Next, 2 square. What will be the unit digit if of 2 square? 2 square is what? 4. So unit digit will be what? 4. Next, 3 square. So what is the unit digit of 3 square? 3 square is 9. So unit digit will be what? 9. Understood? Next what? 4. What is the unit digit of 4 square? Now 4 square is what? 4 square is 16. So what will be the unit digit? Don't write 16, okay? We are talking about only digit, unit digit. So 4 square is 16. What I will write? 16. Unit digit is what? 6. So my answer will be what? 6. Like that, okay? Next is 5 square. Okay? Say 5 square. Now what is 5 square? What will be the unit digit? 5 square is what? 5 square is 25. 5 square is what? 25. So what will be the unit digit? 5. Isn't it? 5. Next is what? 6 square. What is 6 square? 6 square is what? 36. What is the unit digit? 6. 6. This one only, okay? So 6 square also how much? 6 square also how much? 6. Understood? This is 1, you see. Okay, 6. Understood? Next, 7. 7 square is how much? 7 square is 49. So what is the unit digit? 9. So you see it is over here. See, I will write like this. Seven square also has unit digit how much? 9. Done. 3 square has also unit digit 9. 7 square has also unit digit 9. Next, 8. What is 8 square? 8 8 ja 64. What is the unit digit? The unit digit is what? 4. So 2 square unit digit is also 4. 8 square unit digit is also what? 4. Next what? Next is 9. 9 square is how much? 81. So what is the unit digit? 1. So 1 square is also 1 and 9 square is also 1, and this is single. This is single. 5 square is what? 5. So this is the unit digit concept. That one, if it is 1, then it will be 1. If it is 9, then also it will be 1. If it is 2, then it will be 4. If it is 8, then also it will be 4. So this is the concept. In this question you can use this concept, okay, no problem. But in some difficult question, this thing will help. In your after exercise, what you are going to do in division method, this thing will help you. This will save your what? Calculation time, you will see, okay. So understood. So from there what we can conclude, one you see. From this what we can conclude. See, 1 is coming, right? 1 is coming, okay. Then 2. Is there any 2 over here? Over here you see, is there any 2? There is no 2. There is no 2, okay. This 2 is not there. Then 3. Is there any 3? 3 is also not there. Is there any 4? Yes, 4 is there. Is there 5? Yes, 5 is there. Is there 6? Yes, 6 is there. Is there 7? 7 is not there. Is there 8? No 8 is there. Is there 9? 9 is there. And since 0 though we have not written, we know that 0 square is what? 0. So 0 though anyhow will stay only. So you see, this 2, 3, 7, 8, if it stays, it will never stay actually. That's why we say that if 2, 3, 7, 8 is there, then it is never a perfect square. Our property 1. From there also you can see that 2, 3, 7, 8 will never stay. You keep on doing. We have done till 9. You do 10, you do 11, you do 12, you do 13. Same thing will come. Okay. You do 13 square. Same thing will come. What is there? 3 is there. So 3 then what? 3 then 9. So yes, over here also you see 13 square is how much? 169. You see 9 will come. So this digit will never come. 2, 3, 7, 8. That was our property 1. Understood? So this will help you. You write this one in your notebook, this table. Now let us start question number 2. So question number 2. What will be the unit digit of the square of the following numbers? Number 2, number 1. What is there? 71. So if you square 71, what will be the unit digit? Unit digit. Now you know at the ending position what is there? 1. If it is 1, then what is the unit digit? 1 only. 1 1 ja. Just you focus on the unit digit. Forget about 7. 1 1 ja is 1. So unit digit is what? 1. Okay. Number 2. 192. 192. Solution. Unit digit equal to. Focus on the unit digit. What is there? 2. 2 then what? 2 then 4. 2 square is how much? 4. 2 2 ja how much? 2 2 ja 4. So unit digit is what? 4. Number 3. 899. 899. Unit digit equal to. What is the unit digit? 9. 9 9 ja 81. What is the unit digit? 1, isn't it? What is the unit digit? 1. And in the table, just now I have given you the table. What was the table? If there is 1, then also 1. If there is 9, then also 1. So by table also you can do. Okay? Or you can think like that also. 9. So 9 9 is 81. And then 81, what is there? 1 is there. So 1. Understood? Number 4. 4583. 4583. Solution. 4583. What is the unit digit? 3. Now if what is the unit digit? 3 is there. So 3 3 ja 9. Like this you keep on doing. Number 5. Number 5. 4314. 4314. Solution. Unit digit. So what is the unit digit if it ends in 4? 4 then what? In the table 4 then 6, isn't it? 4 because 4 4 ja how much? 16. And in 16 what is the unit digit? 6 is the unit digit. Number 6. 509. 52900. 52900. So solution. Unit digit. So what will be the unit digit? If it is 0, then always it is what? 0 0 ja how much? 0 0 ja 0. If it is 0, then it is always 0. The number 5 from, not 5, 6 we have done. Number 7. So 7 you do homework. Again 7 what is there? 889 88990. 88990. If 0 is there, what will be your answer? 0 only. Next 26387. 26387. What is there? 7. 7 then what? 7 7 ja 49, 9. So 7 then what? 9. Okay, in the table also it was there. 3 then 9. 3 then 9. 7 then also what? 9. Okay, homework you do. Next 5 9 2 6 8. 5 9 2 6 8. What will be the integers if 8 is there? 8 8 ja 64, 4, isn't it? So homework you do, practice, homework you do. Okay, so these 3 you do homework. Let us move to next question. Question number 3. Question number 3, what it is given? The square of which of the following would be an odd number? So let me write the question number 3. Number 1, what is given? 341. Number 2, what it is given? 2628. Number 3, what it is given? 5579. And number 4, what it is given? 66002. Isn't it? 66002. Okay, the square of which of the following? Means if you square these numbers. So okay, so battery is almost below 15% right now. So little more left in the class. So let us complete this one. I think it will shut down after very soon. Okay. So you see what is the question? The square of which of the following? If I square this one, if I square this one, square this one, square this one, the square of which of the following, okay, would be an odd number. So what was our property? One more property. The square of an even number is even. The square of an odd number is what? Odd. This was our question, isn't it? So we need what? We need odd number. So this is odd number. Okay. So this is odd number. So this is correct. This is even number. So this is not correct. Odd number correct. Even number not correct. So what is your answer? 1 and what? 3. Okay. The square of which of the following? You have to square this one. If you square this one, 1 1 ja will be what? 1. So again it will be an odd number only. 9 is there. 9 9 ja is what? 81. So 1 is there. Again it will be what? It will be again odd number only. So if it is odd, then it is odd. Okay, understood? So let me check the answer once. So if I check the answer with exercise 3.2, question number 3, it is 1 and 3 only. Okay. So now let us do the next question. Question number 4. Question number 4, let us do. Which of the following numbers are square of what? Even numbers. So 144. Number 2, 169. Number 3, 196. Number 4, 225. Number 5, 289. 1024. 1521. 7921. 8464. 61504. Now what is the question? Which of the following numbers are square of the even numbers? Yes, the property again will apply. Even number square is what? Even. But the question is then also little bit different. Okay. So see what is the difference in question number 3 and question number 4. In question number 3 we were asked which of the following number if you square will be an odd number. Means in question number 3 it is asked if you do 3 square, what is your answer? It is odd or it is even? That was the question. Now the question is like that. This was question number 3. Okay. Now the question is like that. Say question number 4 is like that. Say 9 is there. Now which of the following numbers, and this time it is so okay, say 9 only, say for example, which of the following numbers are squares of an odd number? Say for example odd number. Yes, in question number 4 it is said even number, but say for a while that which of the following numbers are square of an even number or odd number. Now at first the 9 is an what? 9 is an odd number. Okay, correct. Now is 9 a perfect square? Yes, 3 3 ja is 9. Then only you can say this is your answer. Say if 7 is given. Yes, 7 is an odd number. But is 7 a square of any number? No. So again this will be wrong. Okay. So there is slight difference between question number 3 and question number 4. In question number 4, at first the number has to be what? Even. Even it is said, so number has to be even. Then what? Then that number also has to be a perfect square. Means square of any number. Only even will not work. Okay. Now let us see. We need what? Even. So this is odd. Yes, it is 13 square. So 169 is what? 169 is 13 square, but it is odd. This is odd. Odd. 289 is odd. 1521 is odd. 7921 is odd. And these are what? Even. So this is even. Now 144. Is it a square of any number? Yes, 144 is what? 12 square. So this is correct. 196. Is it a perfect square? So yes, 14 square is how much? 196. Okay. Then what? 8464. So it is even. Is it a perfect square? In the ending digit 4 is there. So yes, it can be a perfect square. Okay. Yes, I think so. It is 92 square. Next 6150. 61504. Again, even number. At the ending what is there? 4 is there. So this can also be what? Perfect square. Understood? So these were the questions. Number 3 done, number 4 done. From question number 5, we will continue in our next class. Okay. So if you have any doubt, you ask, you do the homework. Today afternoon everyone notes I will check and I will send it to you. By evening everyone will get. Okay. It will take time to check. So the display is broken. So I am unable to check the question. That's the main reason. Okay. Yes, not getting time also, but also the display is broken. So it is getting difficult to check the questions. Okay. So okay, you send it. Somehow I will try to check today. So that's all for today's class. Thank you.